What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Antonio the Realtor. In this episode, we are going to show you a house that our good friend Ann bought yesterday. We sold it to her on the south side of Chicago. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, totally rehabbed, beautiful place. Let's go take a look. All right, guys, I'm excited about this one. So as I stated before, this house is sold. My wife and I, Vernice, who's in the camera in the background, we sold this yesterday, and the client was nice enough to let us come in here and to show you guys what her house looks like. So big shout out to Ann. Congratulations again. This is your house. So we're in the living room, nice size living room. And she was lucky enough to win the bid on the house. We negotiated a good deal. And now she has a place with a super cool fireplace. I'm always in houses showing off these fireplaces. And now my client's got one of them. So these are cool. They're electric, of course. You're not exactly going to be able to roast marshmallows, but you know, it's one of your high-tech fireplaces. I'm calling it high-tech, people, because I'm not putting a piece of wood with a match in it, okay? So before you guys go to the comments and blow me up for calling it high-tech, it's a nice fireplace. I do like the backsplash here that they have, very modern. It goes with the house, and you'll see a lot of the black, gray, and white themes in here, which are really cool. But a nice sized living room. And when we came in here for the first time, the place was laid out with furniture. They staged the house, so we got to see what it looked like, you know, with somebody having furniture in it staged. And now that it's empty, it's even better in my opinion. We fell in love with this LED light, and hopefully you guys like that too. But, you know, believe it or not, those LED lights, they don't cost a ton of money. You just have to find the right store, whether it be like a Menards or a Home Depot, or ordering something online. You know, really good touch. Now, the house specifically was, let's show off this one. The house specifically was designed by a female rehabber. And that was mentioned a lot during the sale. And the touches in the house, I don't want to say they're both feminine or masculine, but you can tell whoever did this actually took their time to put it together. So shout out to whoever you were. I didn't get a chance to get their name, but nevertheless, this is a nice place. So these are touch. You just touch them and they turn on. Really cool, just like that. So nice sense of class. But if anything, Vernice, let me get you kind of come over here on this side, and then I'll just walk over here this way. So I'm gonna measure the distance from here to here with my feet. Somebody in the comments was like, "You should invest in a digital." No, I'm using these feet. I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5. 9.5 wide, which is nice. You can put a nice dining room table there, and it didn't take me technology to figure that out. Really simple. We do it the way the caveman do it, right? Upstairs, we have bedrooms. We also have bedrooms down here. We have a full bath right behind Camera Lady. And then over here is the kitchen. Before we go into the kitchen, which you guys are going to love, I'm going to take you into the bedrooms first. Okay. White doors, black doorknobs. Really nice. In here, we have a nice full closet. I fit in it. There you go. All right. They did this here, which is cool. So it's ready to go. And you can put a twin size bed in here. If you wanted to do a full, you can put a full in here. But for what it is, we also have an LED light and hardwood floors, real hardwood floors. I like it. I like the vibe in the place. Let's go take a look at the second bedroom, which is this way. This bedroom's longer, okay? Still have a nice size closet in here. This closet's bigger than the closet in that room, so this is going to be the bigger room of the two. But here you go if you guys want to take a look at that. Really nice. And you know, we're on the south side of Chicago, so the price of the house wasn't bad. You know, when the houses go further north, they start getting a little bit more pricey. Taxes go up. But for being down here, this is awesome. This is awesome. Okay, so we're in the bathroom. I want to show off a lot of the choices and the fixtures and then the lighting that they did. So let's take a look really quick at the faucet. Love it. My style. You guys already know Antonio likes to turn the water on, touch the water, and I'm good. Okay, let's take a look at these LED lights. Those are really nice. A selection of LED lighting there. That's cool, you know? I like that. And then take a look at this tile. I'm not going to step on the tile, but take a look at the tile. Long black rectangular tiles in a nice design. And then to contrast, they hit it with the white. And then of course your fixtures over here, your faucets are, your shower is black. And then so the knobs, and then here's your, you know, do I turn the water on right here? Do I? I don't know where the water's going to come from right now. So I'm just going to leave, I'm going to leave it off. I'm going to leave it off. So we are now going to go into the kitchen, everybody. Hope you're ready for the kitchen. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to my buyer's kitchen. This place is sold. This is so cool because now, you know, I'm sorry. I know you guys are going to like the house. If you want one, I'll find you one like this, okay? But this is Ann's kitchen, okay? So when we came in here, we fell in love with the design of the backsplash. I really like it. It's different because people normally just do marble and it's just white. Maybe there's a couple of sparkles, but for the fact that we have a contrasted, you know, these contrasted streaks here, that was super cool. And like something else, a detail in here that I want you guys to notice is you see these cabinets. These are really nice cabinets. They're like glossy cabinets. They almost like they're glassy cabinets, right? But, and someone's going to correct me with the name, I'm sure, in the comments, but check this out. White, black and white, black, and then white. But right over here at the end, we have a black cabinet, which I think is a really cool design selection. They could have just said, let's just put all white cabinets, but they didn't because they wanted things to be cohesive and to be pretty cool. So you'll see the same thing over here, which is really nice. I really like this kitchen. One of my favorite kitchens of the year so far. Stainless steel appliances, of course, everything in here is brand new, but you know, this is fitted really nice. We have this that actually vents outside, which was super important. So whenever Ann's cooking, she puts her food up here, cooks. If there's a lot of ajo, a lot of garlic, it's not staying in the kitchen. It's actually going in and out, up and out, as long as she turns this thing on, okay? We have a spot here for your microwave, which is cool. It's in there, which is fantastic. GFCI outlets, so you know you got to stay compliant. Nice fridge, nice refrigerator, brand new. There you go. Okay. You even have the crushed ice right there. No, I'm not gonna push it. I'm not gonna push it. All right. And then a dishwasher, just like every other. So we did have the inspector test the dishwasher. It works. Everything in here is good. Water didn't come out of the floor. We're fantastic. Now, something else that I haven't pointed out about this kitchen, okay? And actually, how about, Bernice, I'm going to have you go that way, is I want you to take a look at the floor. The tile in the floor is beautiful, okay? You know, it's got that mirrored finish look, glassy look, okay? Nice tile. Same thing as this in here. It's what makes the, you know, the kitchen look fancy to me. And then of course there's can lighting in the kitchen, which is awesome. What we're going to do now is we are going to go upstairs to take a look at the bedroom. So I'll see you guys upstairs. Okay, coming up the stairs, we have these beautiful handrails, metal, okay, which is nice because usually they're wood. And we have laminate flooring down here, still with the same theme, color-wise, with the floors that we saw downstairs, living room, dining room. This is bedroom number 3, can lighting. You can put probably a full-size bed in here and you'll be okay. We do also have over here a closet that has a really nice size rack in there. Let me turn the light on so you guys can see that. So check this out. Check me out. I'm going to go all the way in here. I'm all the way in here. So however what you're going to do, put your jeans up here, your t-shirts, you know, your unmentionables. Put them all in there, you'll be good. And if you need more space, you got another nice little closet over here. Hang up your dresses or your suits. So in case you need that, but that's that. Now we're gonna go to the next bedroom, which is bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 4 also has 2 closets there. This is the larger of the bedrooms on the second floor. You can put any size bed in here, you're gonna be okay. This side faces the front of the house. So this was the front, that was the back. And maybe you want to take a look outside so the people can see the block. Really nice block, very quiet. When we got here earlier, we were sitting outside in the car for like 10 minutes planning the video. And you can hear the drop of a dime. You know, it's crazy. Let's take a look at the closets really quick. You know how people like their closets. This is closet number 1, okay, which is nice, good size. Same size closet, closet number 2, okay, which is pretty neat. And now I hope you guys liked it. We're going to go to the basement now, which you're going to love. So it's time to go to the basement. Oh, actually, hold on. We're going to the bathroom. We're going to the bathroom first. Follow me. There's a bathroom up here. I almost forgot it, okay? So we're in the bathroom. You see the tile? Same tile scheme that we have downstairs on the first floor, which is awesome. It's cohesive. The builder was actually thinking when they were putting the thing together. And the same thing goes for the LED light that we have up here in the front, if you want to check that out. Same LED light system that we saw, can lighting in the bathroom. And then again, Antonio likes washing his hands. Maybe it's OCD. I don't know. But I do like that shower, though. I do like that shower. Okay, so guys, now it's time to go to the basement. Here we go. All right, basement it is. Same thing with the metal fence, just like we saw going upstairs. Again, another part of the house that just makes everything cohesive. Same banisher that we had going up the stairs. We're gonna go this way first. Here's the laundry area, okay? As you can see, they have the laundry raised off the ground, okay? They have it on top of the cement platform right here, and rightfully so. If I was to open this door right here, this is what is that? There's a drain system here, and then there's stairs that go up and out. So when it rains, if water was to get in, the washer and dryer would be safe from, you know, getting corroded or anything like that. There is your electrical panel, and then back here you have a little bit of storage space, which I think is nice. I wonder, like for me, I don't know what I would put back here if it would be storage. Probably storage space. Or, you know, whatever you want to do. But nice LED light up here, which is cool. A little nook just so happens to be there, just so you can put, you know, extra storage cans or whatever it is, waters, whatever your beer, whatever you guys are going to put down here. And mechanicals are behind this. We won't open it. We'll leave it alone. But the mechanicals are back there, which is nice because everything's tucked away. You don't have to worry about anything or anybody seeing anything. All right. The other thing too is let me walk. Yeah, come around this way if you can. I'm gonna walk over here, and here is the rest of the basement. Okay. Now they did have a light set up over here, but because it was staged, they took everything out. So what we have left over is the bar with our nice little wine rack right here. So now if I open this up and I take these out, we have mineral water, which I will be taking with me. I will be taking one mineral water with me. We'll leave that right there. I'm sure Ann won't mind. And she's upstairs, by the way, so I'll ask her permission. All right, we're gonna go inside this bedroom over here. I'm gonna turn the light on. Okay, here is the last bedroom that we have in the basement. Again, this is the front of the house. Okay, this is the very, very front of the house. If I close the door, it's nice. We have an outlet there, outlet there, outlet there. This little guy right here is access to the water meter, more than likely, right? And then over here, we do have a closet. Okay, so nice size closet in here. You guys can, whoever's in here will have space to put their clothes. And then out here, back where we have the mineral water, I want to say, we have a bathroom. We almost left, guys. I got to show you the last bathroom. Okay, last bathroom. Check this out. Bathroom number 3 in the property. Again, same as upstairs, same as the second floor. Even the same when it comes to the shower fixture that we have here, which is cool. Okay, really nice. Let's get that LED light over there. Okay. Hands are washed. There it is. And guys, this was Ann's house. Congratulations to you. And if anybody wants to get pre-approved to buy a house or to sell a property, let me know. My phone number's in the video somewhere. But to see the next video, click here or click there and subscribe. Make sure you click the circle in the middle. But that was Antonio the Realtor. So